Hello, children. Why don't you come a little closer and take some of my delicious candy? If you dare. It's like I always say, it's not what's on the outside, but rather what's on the inside. That's really important.
Thank goodness you're here. I've been stuck talking to him all night.
Oh, and I'm having such a great time listening to you brag about how many people you've already scared this evening.
Well, if you're so miserable, why don't you just leave?
I would love to, but unfortunately, I don't have any legs.
Welcome, welcome. It's always nice to eat. I mean, meet new humans.
Don't be afraid. We're actually both quite friendly.
Come closer so we can get a better look at you.
Oh yes, the master will want to meet you. Come on in and stay a while.
Goodness, they carved your whole face off?
They did?
Did they ever?
Well, how do I look?
Smashing!
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. The Grim Reaper is finally by your side. I'm very popular. People are just dying to meet me.
Listen, this is an occasion for jolly good banter. So, hurry up and do it, because I haven't heard you say anything even remotely good yet. Ye look like a fair crew of buccaneers. Let's hear your best yarr, you scallywags. Ahoy there, swab. Take ye fair share of grub, or you'll taste me cutlass. Backstabbing scallywags live short lives around my vessel. I beg your pardon, sir. Would ye by chance happen to have seen me parrot around? Parrots are me favourite bird, with a side of potatoes. I'd say it's high time we have some poor unfortunate soul walk the plank. What do you say, mateys?
The plank! The plank!
Yarr. Beware. Watch your step this night, ye lily-livered landlubber. You see, me first mate, Barnacle Bill, be about, and he don't take kindly to whimpering cowards such as yourself. Farewell and adieu to your fair Spanish ladies. What have we here, then? A school of scurvy dogs what come up from Davy Jones's locker? Arr! Ye looking at me?
Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary.
Nevermore, nevermore.
Quiet, please. I haven't even gotten to that part yet. Is anyone in the mood for a nice raven stew?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, am I the most frightening one of all? Wait! Where do you think you're going? I wouldn't go that way if I were you. My, you look as if you've seen a ghost. That's 7 years of bad luck for you.
Welcome. Please make yourselves at home. My haunted house is your haunted house. I'm so happy you came. It's about time we had some new blood around here. Greetings, friend. If you should need anything at all, just scream! Allow me to wish you a happy and horrific Halloween! Help yourself to as much candy as you like. I prefer my blood on the sweet side. Welcome. Please come in. Don't be afraid. I'll try not to bite. Perfect timing. I've just finished preparing your coffin.